Good morning. We have some football predictions for you today. Total of 14 matches, 105 odds. So let's get started. The first game we have today is a game between FC Perin Bulgaria taking on FK Heba in the Bulgaria League, and my prediction here is a home team win or draw, double chance. And the next game we have is in Portugal, where Portimonense is taking on Academico Viseu under 23, and my prediction is under 3.5 goals. We move on to Armenia, where FC Noir Yerevan is taking on FC Ararat Armenia, and my prediction is under 3.5 goals. Moving on to India I-League, we have a game between Punjab taking on FC Goa, and my prediction is over 1.5 goals. The next one we have is a game in Albania, where KS Kukesi is taking on KF Lassi, and my prediction is under 3.5 goals. Next one we have here is a game in Greece, where PAOK Thessaloniki B is taking on Niki Valo, and my prediction is under 3.5 goals. We have a game still in that Greece Division 2, where Campaniakos is taking on Anagenisi, and my prediction is home team win or draw. As you know, we have a premium channel where we share short 2 odds on daily basis, and also 5 to 20 odds. If you want to join our VIP, my WhatsApp link is in the comment section. Moving on, we have a game in still in that Greece League, where AEK Athens is taking on Makedonikios, and my prediction is home team win at full time. And please leave a like in the comment section, and also drop your own predictions in the comment section, as well as where you are watching us from. Then we move on to Serbia, where FK Lados is taking on FK Rakniki Bulgard, and my prediction here is under 2.5 goals at full time. Then you move on to Spain La Liga, where UD Almeria is taking on Sevilla, and my prediction here is under 1.5 goals at half time. Moving on to England Premier League, we have a game between Chelsea taking on Newcastle, and my prediction here is under 2 at full time. The next game we have is a game in the Italy, where Lazio is taking on Udinese, and my prediction here is under 1.5 goals at full time. Next is a game in the Denmark Super League, where Lerndals is taking on FC Midtjylland, and my prediction here is under 1.5 goals at halftime. Then the last game we have is a game in Turkey, where Gaziantep FK is taking on Besiktas Istanbul, and my prediction here is under 1.5 goals at halftime. So that's a total of 14 matches, 103 odds. So I wish you good luck, and also remember to bet responsibly. I'll see you guys in our next video.